Let's talk about the health benefits of cacao and dark chocolate. Now, cacao is the raw bean that's then fermented and processed into chocolate, okay? But there are some serious health benefits to both of these items. In fact, 6 billion pounds is consumed on a yearly basis. It is loaded with some serious phytonutrients, polyphenols and flavonols, which is more in quantity than blueberries or acai berries. Now, there's a tiny bit of caffeine involved, but you have a good amount of theobromine, which is a stimulant. So, of course, if you're going to consume this later in the day or before bed, that may keep you up. Now, I consume a little bit of chocolate on a regular basis, not too much, but I always consume no sugar type chocolate. I always make sure that it's organic because they do spray different chemicals, including using glyphosate. I primarily use these two brands right here. There's other ones that you can get as well, but they're usually flavored with erythritol and monk fruit or stevia. So there's quite a variety that you can choose from. All right, let's look at the benefits of cacao and dark chocolate. There's some seriously amazing benefits for the heart. Decreased blood pressure because you're getting increased nitric oxide, which actually helps the smooth muscle of the arteries. Now, the blood pressure effect can also happen due to the high levels of magnesium. It's also loaded with iron and potassium and copper and phosphorus and zinc. Number 2, it can increase your HDL, decrease your LDL, especially the oxidized LDL. Number 3, major studies showing the decrease in risk of heart disease, okay? This is the big one right here, decreasing endothelial dysfunction. This is where heart disease starts. It's the inside of the layer of the artery, specifically the coronary, that starts to become damaged, and then the cholesterol comes and the calcium comes and builds a plaquing and a clot. And so these antioxidants protect the inside layer of the artery. Of course, if you consume chocolate without the sugar, which is like, sandpaper on the arteries. All right, number 4, decreasing cortisol and adrenaline. This is why many times people consume chocolate to reduce stress. All right, number 5, it may decrease the risk of certain cancers. Number 6, decreasing insulin improves insulin resistance. Okay. Number 7, it can decrease the risk of strokes. Number 8, it can elevate your mood and bring someone from a depressed state to a higher level. They don't know exactly why this is. It could be because of the increase in serotonin. It could be because of the theobromine, but it can also be from the polyphenols. Okay. But regardless, it seems to create a cool effect. Number 9, it can increase your physical performance. 10, it can really help the skin's circulation, probably because of this nitric oxide right here, the texture of your skin, the hydration of your skin. And number 11, which is quite amazing, which relates to number 3, it can decrease metabolic syndrome, which is a combination of improving your blood sugars, cholesterol, and blood pressure. The only thing I want to mention about cacao or chocolate is that it does have higher amounts of oxalates. And so if you're at risk for kidney stones, I would probably recommend not consuming it.